A very good afternoon to class 7 student. Class 7 student, now we are in the fifth chapter, advanced features of Excel. So students, we are going to talk about the features of Excel, that means the characteristic of Excel. The characteristic means the features. So in this chapter we'll talk about the components of a chart and creating a chart, components to use the chart types, formatting a chart, inserting an illustration using goal seek, consolidation, data, grouping worksheets. So these things are included in this chapter. Now I'm going to tell you about the components of a chart. What are components of a chart? The Excel workbook that contain a lot of data in a form of table, and this data can be often be difficult to interpret. For example, which is the highest and lowest value in the data, increasing or decreasing. The answer or the question these become much clear when data is represented as a chart. Chart or graphs are used to make information clear and easier to understand. A good picture is worth 1,000 numbers. Excel has various type of charts, so we can choose one that most effective represents our data. So now student, this one is overall the advanced feature of Excel. So component of the chart, what does it mean? Components means the details which we are using whenever we are going to make a chart in a computer. So chart area is the component of the chart, and data series, plot area, x-axis, y-axis, legend, chart title and data level. These are the components of the chart which you need to note it down in your classwork copies. What you need to do is chart area. What is chart area? The area is the entire chart with all its element is called chart area. What is data series? Data series is a collection of relative values from the worksheet that can be data from one row to or column on the worksheet. Each data series is the chart has a unique color or pattern. We can plot one or more data series in a chart. So that one is called the data series. And what is plot area? The plot area is the area inside the boundary of the axis, which includes the data series of the chart. And what is the x-axis? Or all of you know that the horizontal axis is called the x-axis. And the definition is an axis is a line bordering the chart plot area used to frame the reference of measurement. The x-axis of the horizontal axis contain categories. It is known as category axis also. X-axis, we also called x-axis as a category axis. And what is y-axis? Y-axis is the vertically axis and contain data. It is known as value axis. And the same question arises, what is legend? The legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color that are assigned to the data series or category in a chart. So student, these are very important components of a chart which you need to note it down in your copies. You have to note down all the components of the chart and define them also. And what is chart title? A chart title is the name of given to the chart. And data level, this is the information that is used to identify the value of data in the data series. And you know that the insert of a chart to select the cell from, how we can insert a chart? Through F11. The key is F11, or we have to press Alt plus F1 to insert a chart, right? So these are the components of the chart. These are very important student components of the chart which you need to revise it for yourself. Now the question arises, how to create a chart? So creating a chart, you have to follow these instructions. Let's us follow the given steps to plot a chart on the worksheet. What you need to do is, on the worksheet, arrange the data. First of all, you have a data that you want to plot in the chart. That data be arranged in rows or columns. The second step, select the cell that contain the data that you want to use from the chart. The third step, on the insert tab in the chart group, do one of the following. Which one? Click the chart type, then click on chart subtype. Then you want to use to see to see all available chart types like insert chart dialog box and those click arrow to scroll the chart types. By default the chart is placed on the worksheet. Automatically what had happened, the chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. The chart are on the same worksheet of the data. They are known as embedded chart. Students, this one is very important. The chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. The chart are on the same worksheet of the data. डाटा के ऊपर जहाँ चार्ट प्लेस किया जाता है वो क्या कहलाता है, एम्बेडेड चार्ट. दे आर नोन एज एम्बेडेड चार्ट. वी कैन मूव द चार्ट ऑन डिफरेंट शीट ऑल्सो. अगर हम चाहें तो उसे डिफरेंट शीट में हम मूव भी कर सकते हैं. एक्सेल ऑटोमेटिकली असाइन अ नेम टू द चार्ट सच एज चार्ट 1. ऑटोमेटिकली बाय डिफॉल्ट नाम होता है उसका चार्ट 1. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द नेम यू कैन थ्रू रीनेम ऑप्शन, right? And the commonly used chart type, there are some commonly used chart types are there. Commonly used chart types means the commonly chart types are used: column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, xy chart, donut chart. These are the types of the chart. So students, what are column charts? Column chart displays the data in the form of vertical bars. They are useful for showing changes in data over a period of time or for showing comparison among different data items. And in the same concern, what are bar charts? Bar charts, all of you have seen the bar charts, a pillar type charts. Column charts display the data in a form of horizontal bar. It is useful to display comparison among individual items. Means it is useful whenever we are going to comparison the detail with others. जब हमें कंपैरिजन करना हो एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड, दीज बार चार्ट्स आर वेरी यूजफुल. एंड व्हाट इज पाई चार्ट? ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सीन द पाई चार्ट इज लुक लाइक अ सर्कल विच वी डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. सर्कल टाइप का होता है जैसे हम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. डिवाइड करके उनको डिफरेंट पैटर्न देते हैं. पैटर्न मीन्स अलग अलग डिज़ाइन से सबको डिफाइन करते हैं. So they are called pie charts. So the definition is pie chart that is displayed in a circular format. Each piece of data is represent a part of the whole. This is useful when we want to show the percentage of different categories in the sum of all charts. Right? So that one is called pie chart. वो क्या दिखाता है? Overall percentage of the whole. But we are going to divide each of them in a different manner. Line chart. अब line chart क्या होता है? दिस चार्ट इज फॉर्म विथ लाइन्स. ये चार्ट लाइन्स के द्वारा बनाया जाता है. अ लाइन इज यूज्ड टू कनेक्ट द डाटा इन पॉइंट टू डिस्प्ले द डाटा इन इक्वल इंटरवल. कैटेगरी डेटा इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इवन अमंग द हॉरिजेंटली एक्सिस. ऑल द वैल्यू ऑफ डाटा इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इवन अलॉन्ग द वर्टिकली एक्सिस. एंड द XY चार्ट को हम स्कैटर चार्ट भी बोलते हैं. स्कैटर मीन्स the meaning of scattered chart is बिखर जाना. So scatter chart is also known as XY chart. Has two type of value areas. All of you know that we already talk about x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis is vertically axis and x-axis is horizontally axis and y-axis is a vertically axis. So the scatter chart is also known as XY chart. Has two value axes showing one set of numeric data along the horizontally axis and another along the vertically axis. It combines these values into single data point and display them in a irregular intervals. Right? They are called XY charts. And after that, the Doudna chart. What is Doudna chart? Some of you student maybe you have seen the Doudna. आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा Doudna. It's not Doudnut, it's donut आप लोगों में से कईयों ने खाया भी होगा. So उसी के जैसा होता है donut chart. Donut chart is what like a pie chart. ये pie chart की तरह होता है, but donut chart में क्या होता है, बीच का जो पोर्शन होता है that one is empty. शोज द रिलेशन ऑफ पार्ट्स टू अ होल, वो क्या दिखाता है, रिलेशन दिखाता है, संबंध, सारे हिस्सों का एक दूसरे से क्या संबंध है। इट कैन कंटेन मोर देन वन डाटा सीरीज, वेयर एज अ पाई चार्ट कंटेन ओनली वन डाटा सीरीज। पाई चार्ट में केवल एक ही डाटा सीरीज आती है, जबकि डोनट चार्ट में आप कई डाटा सीरीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। अब आगे हम बढ़ते हैं फॉर्मेटिंग अ चार्ट। फॉर्मेटिंग अ चार्ट, whenever we are going to do some changes on the chart is called formatting. Formatting means whenever we are going to do some changes on the chart is called formatting a chart. Various components of the chart can be modified to improve the appearance. We can change the format of individual chart elements such as chart area, plot area, data series, axis, titles, data labels or lesion. We can set the borders, give shadow effect changes and to 3D format. Whatever the things we are going to give them is called formatting a chart. Whenever जब हम चार्ट में कोई चेंजेस करते हैं, चेंजेस का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम डेटा चेंज कर लें। Whenever we are going to do the look, a type of look, अगर हम उसे कोई डिज़ाइन देते हैं, कोई इस टाइप का लुक देते हैं जिससे कि वो सुंदर लगे, अच्छा लगे, अट्रैक्टिव लगे, so that one is called formatting, right? So जैसे whenever we are going to do a formatting, what had happened, whenever we are going to send you the videos and we also send you the some written work, what we need to do is we are going to bold the letters which are headings. जो headings होती हैं उनको हम bold कर देते हैं. So that means we are going to format the headings. Now move forward. So formatting a chart का मतलब ये भी होता है, the format the chart area we do the what we have to do. पहले तो हमें first of all we have to right click anywhere on the chart. चार्ट में कहीं भी राइट क्लिक करेंगे, then select format chart area, उसके बाद select format chart area को select करेंगे from the pop-up menu and जैसे ही एक dialog box appear होगा in the fill tab, these are the options through which we are going to format the chart area. The fourth option is to fill the tab. We select any background like backgrounds we have solid, fill, gradient, color, even a picture or any pattern. कोई पिक्चर भी डाल सकते हैं, पैटर्न भी डाल सकते हैं. Many more options are available. कई और सारे options भी अवेलेबल होते हैं. Enhance the look of the chart. चार्ट के लुक को चेंज करने के लिए सेलेक्ट द चॉइस ऑफ द बॉर्डर. सबसे पहले देख लो, अगर आपको अट्रैक्टिव बनाना है तो चार्ट का बॉर्डर देख लो, उसका बॉर्डर का कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं. क्लिक ऑन क्लोज बटन टू व्यू टू चेंजेस. आफ्टर डूइंग अ चेंजेस whatever we have done in the chart, what we need to do is, if you want to see that changes, what we need to do is we have to close the button to view the changes. हम उस बटन में नहीं जाएंगे. व्यू द चेंजेस करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम उसको क्लोज करेंगे, उसके बाद उसको रन करेंगे. फॉर्मेटिंग द प्लॉट एरिया. अब उसको फॉर्मेट कैसे करना है. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू सम मोर चेंजेस इन अ प्लॉट एरिया, प्लॉट एरिया में क्या चेंजेस करने हैं, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज सिमिलरली टू चार्ट एरिया वी कैन सेट द बॉर्डर्स, गिव शेडो इफेक्ट. बॉर्डर्स में शेडो इफेक्ट दे सकते हैं, 3D फॉर्मेट में कर सकते हैं और उसकी एज को थोड़ा सॉफ्ट कर सकते हैं. राइट क्लिक एनीवेयर ऑन द प्लॉट एरिया. कहीं भी राइट एरिया में क्लिक करिए. सेलेक्ट द प्लॉट एरिया, सबसे पहले सेलेक्ट कर दिया. ऑन द पॉपअप मेन्यू द डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर वेयर वी कैन मेक चेंज द प्लॉट एरिया. हम वहाँ पे प्लॉट एरिया में चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर्मेटिंग द लीजन. अब फॉर्मेटिंग अ लीजन, व्हाट डज इट मीन्स, वी ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइब अबाउट बिफोर reading this. I tell you the definition of the lesion, right? So what does it means? What is lesion? Formatting a lesion. The format the lesion, follow the steps given below. You have to follow these steps to follow the lesion. Right click on the lesion. सबसे पहले lesion में क्लिक करना होगा. लीजन में क्लिक करते ही क्या होगा, सेलेक्ट द फॉर्मेट लीजन. फॉर्मेट लीजन में जाइए. पॉपअप मेन्यू में एक डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा जिसमें आपको चेंजेस करने के लिए ऑप्शंस देगा. वी कैन चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ द लीजन. हम उस का पोजीशन चेंज कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे कि वो अपीयर हो रहा है चार्ट में, उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. बॉर्डर कलर एंड स्टाइल ऑल्सो, वी कैन चेंज द कलर ऑल्सो. ठीक है. द लीजन कैन बी गिव अ बैकग्राउंड कलर पैटर्न यूजिंग अ फिल ऑप्शन. हमारे पास बैकग्राउंड का कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, उसका पैटर्न भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. It's up to us. So formatting a lesion means formatting whenever we are going to do the changes on that, right? So that's all about today's class. Student, which what you need to do is you have to write down the components of the chart, commonly used chart types, and the components of the chart. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.